Hey guys, so today we're talking about how to make money blogging. I've been doing this since 2009, and when I first started out, my goal was to make $3,000 a month. That was the same amount I was making for my job, and if I could make that much money blogging, that meant I could quit my job and start working at anywhere, anytime I wanted, and to run my own business. It's been 9 years now, and I never thought I'd get to the point where I made $50,000 in 1 month. That was back in 2011, and little did I know it at the time, but my business soon went to zero. I say this to give you a bit of caution and realism about making money online, that there can be extreme highs, there can be extreme lows, but either way you slice it, this can be a serious, real career for you, but it's gonna take a ton of work. So today I'm gonna walk you through my best tips for making money online today in 2019, and everything you need to know to get yourself all set up and started. All right, let's go. So before we get started, I just want to make sure you check out my previous video of the series where I talk about how to start your own blog. I walk through how to get everything set up on Bluehost and how to set up a blog in under 15 minutes for around 10 bucks. Bluehost is one of my favorite providers. They have super reliable, super cheap hosting plans, and it's a perfect thing for beginners. Okay, so now that we've already checked out or started our own blog, let's talk about how are we going to make money in 2019. So a lot has changed in the past 5 or 6 years of the internet. Back when I started out blogging, I was all about SEO and search engine optimization because that was one of the best ways to get traffic for your site. There was no Facebook, there was no Instagram, there was no social media. Today's 2019 landscape is completely different. In my mind, the best way to get growth in 2019 and to build a blog that makes money is to have something on YouTube, to start your own YouTube channel. I started blogging on YouTube about 8 months ago. I've racked up over 1.2 million views. Comparing that to my blog, which I started in 2013, I've racked up only 500,000 views. So despite my blog being around longer, I'm getting a ton of growth and attention on YouTube, so that's where I'm investing my time, and that's where I think you should invest your time. Now this isn't to say that you should do everything on YouTube and put all your eggs in that one YouTube basket, and this goes back to that $50,000 month I had. I had all my eggs in the AdWords basket, and once Google made a change, I lost everything. So for me, my strategy is to put, maybe a quarter of my eggs into my website. So for every review I do on YouTube, I also do a review on that website. And the thing about my own website is, no matter who comes or goes, whether it's Facebook, Google, Apple, Microsoft, whatever changes they make, it's not gonna affect my website. My website's gonna be there for the next 20 or 30 years. They can't do anything to touch that. If I've invested everything on YouTube and Google decides to make an algorithm change, I could lose all my subscribers, my account could be suspended, anything could happen. So that's why I always recommend to have your blog as a backup plan or that recurring asset that keeps growing over time, and then just hop on the latest social media craze or whatever is hot and start building a brand there. YouTube is super hot. It's really easy to get traction and get a bunch of views and monetize your content. So you're probably asking yourself, what's the best way to monetize my YouTube channel? So the first thing that comes to mind is sponsored content. You see sponsored content everywhere. Influencers, YouTube creators, they're always doing a plug for this or that service and they're getting paid just to create a video. This is fantastic revenue and you can make $2, $3, $10, $50, $100,000 per video, but this sponsored content is not gonna come until you have a sizable audience that people trust and believe in. I get sponsored content deals, but honestly, it's not a recurring thing, it's not passive income, it's a lot of hard work, and really where I like to make my money is on affiliate marketing. So to me, the best way to monetize a YouTube channel is affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is basically referral marketing. If I advertise Bluehost and you click on the link down below and you sign up for a plan, I'm gonna get paid a commission for that. I get paid maybe $50, $60, $100 per sign up, and that's how I make my money. You can make money with affiliate marketing for pretty much every product. If you want to talk about travel insurance and get people to sign up for that, you can make commission on that. If you want to review gaming mice on Amazon, you can make 2 or 3% for every purchase somebody does. pretty much every product out there has an affiliate program. And the way you make money is by talking about getting people to trust you, getting them to go and buy these products that you've reviewed on your YouTube channel. So if you want to make money from YouTube as an affiliate marketer, the easiest and most effective way to do that is to set up a review channel. So these channels, like I said, could be on any sort of topic. The easiest and kind of most fun way to do it is to go onto Amazon and look for top products that you're interested in that you want to talk about. So if you love Fortnite, dedicate a channel to Fortnite gaming mice or gaming keyboards or the best monitors to go for Fortnite. Fortnite is one of the top search terms on YouTube, and there's a ton of people looking for advice and recommendations on how to up their game, what hardware they need. And if you build a channel around Fortnite accessories, you're gonna get a ton of views, you're gonna make a ton of money, and it's gonna be a great passive income stream for you. Now, if you don't like Fortnite, I've never played Fortnite, I don't know anything about it, but you have other topics you may be interested in covering, one of my best recommendations is to use a tool called Vid Iq. I'm gonna put a link down below so you can check it out for yourself, but basically it's a YouTube search tool. And what it allows you to do is identify what are the most popular search terms on YouTube, and then how much competition there is for that particular search term. So I'm gonna walk you through a really simple example. It's a product I just bought. I use it, I love it, and it would make a great affiliate marketing channel. So I'm looking at my Crest Gum Detoxify Deep Clean Toothpaste. I bought it from Amazon for $21, and it's awesome. We actually got recommended by Stephanie's cousin, who's a dentist, and said she loves this toothpaste. And it really kind of foams up your mouth, it cleans your teeth, gives you a nice bright white smile, and it's affordable, it's a great product, and it has free same-day shipping from Amazon. So right there's a mini review for Crest Gum Detoxify White Toothpaste. And let's say I created a YouTube channel just around reviewing toothpaste. What I'd do is I would use the Vid Iq tool and search on YouTube. So I just searched for Crest toothpaste, and right now it's got a search volume of 45 out of 100, which is a really strong volume, and it's got a competition score of 29 out of 100. So basically the competition score tells you how many other people are trying to rank for this keyword, how many videos have they produced, how competitive is this going to be if you're going to start your own channel. If you're starting your own channel, you want to aim for stuff with a competition score between 0 and about 30. So with Crest at 29, I think this is an actual channel that you could build and be successful. You may need to dig into a little more deep long tail stuff. So instead of typing in Crest toothpaste, I'm going to type in Crest Gum Detoxify. So I typed in Crest Gum Detoxify, and right now it's got a search volume of 9 with a competition score of 44. So interestingly, it's a lower competition for just Crest toothpaste. So this is an example of why Vid Iq is such a powerful and important tool. It helps you identify which keywords to target, and basically what videos to create, and which keywords to avoid, and which videos to not waste your time on. And this brings me to an important lesson that I've learned over the past 9 years. When I first got started, I never paid for any tools like this. Vid Iq I think is about 50 bucks a month. They do have a free trial so you can test everything out and get your channel set up. But this is a tool that $50 may seem like a lot if you're starting out with 0 income per month. But if you value your time at all, the $50 I spend on this has saved me countless hours. Instead of me creating videos that aren't gonna rank and wasting 2, 3, 4, 5 hours shooting, editing, producing these videos, I can just use this tool and identify which videos will rank and which videos are gonna make me money. And you know, the tools like these are really my kind of secret sauce in how I optimize my time, how I'm a solo entrepreneur, how I run so many businesses. It's by using these tools and paying for information that's gonna help me save my own time. Because at the end of the day, you only have 24 hours in a day, and being the most efficient is gonna be your key to success as an entrepreneur. Okay, so anyway, check out Vid Iq, the link is down below. Use the free trial, get your research done, figure out where you want to go with your channel, cancel the subscription after the first 30 days, doesn't bother me. This is just a piece of advice I wanted to pass on to you guys. So now that we've talked about affiliate marketing, how to choose kind of your channels, how to build your content, how to identify which keywords to target, I wanted to go through just a couple top verticals that you can check out for yourself to see if it might be worth exploring. I mentioned the Fortnite. Anything built around that keyword is going to be really strong. Paleo is really big right now. If you review paleo snacks, People are going to buy that stuff up, they're going to eat it up, they're going to love it. Kitchen gadgets is another thing. Reviewing whether it's a avocado slicer, banana slicer, any of these random cheap tools. You can buy, 100 different tools and do a separate video review on each one. It's going to be a ton of recurring built up views, and it's always going to be evergreen content. People are always going to want new kitchen gadgets. Another one is like USB chargers. I've got so many of these backup chargers for my iPhone or my cameras, all these different USB cables. Any sort of thing like that, any popular product on Amazon is going to be a great fit for affiliate marketing. And before we move to the next point, I wanted to talk about what we're really doing here with building our YouTube channel. If you're a follower of Seinfeld, you know Jerry and Larry David made a reported $500 million selling the rights to their reruns. That's $500 million after they've already gotten paid $1 million per episode. And we're never going to get to their status, but what we want to do is build a library of content that's going to be evergreen. When I'm creating a video about how to start a blog, that's been a term that's been popular for the past 20 years, and it's still going to be popular into the future. This is my Seinfeld episode that's going to keep running on replay over and over and over. Every time it runs, I'm going to make money from people signing up for Bluehost, from looking at the ads, from getting my advice. And it's just going to be this library of content we're going to build. If you have that kitchen gadget review channel, you're going to have 100 videos of content that are going to make you money for the next 10 years. This is an investment. It is going to take you a lot of time. You're not going to get there immediately. But just remember, think of Seinfeld. Think of that $500 million and let that motivate you to keep creating awesome content. Okay, so now that we know that affiliate marketing is what we want to do, we're going to figure out the right product category or vertical for our channel. And we're going to create a ton of great content so we can make that Seinfeld-esque money. But now let's set a reasonable goal. So we want to set a reasonable goal so that we can get motivated and not fall into the lethargy of not getting this stuff done. Back in 2009, my goal was $3,000 a month. That was enough money to quit my job and start building a real career, blogging, building businesses, all that sort of stuff. Now, 3,000 was a big goal. It was a lot of work. Let's start with just say a smaller goal. Say you want to have a side hustle. You want to make $500 a month from YouTube. How are we going to do that? So we're going to use the example of those Fortnite gaming mice. So say we're reviewing Fortnite gaming mice and each mouse costs about $100. I'm going to put up the math here so you can kind of follow along, but we've got this $100 Fortnite gaming mouse that we found on Amazon. We've done a great review and people love it. Let's say for every sale we get, Amazon pays us about 2.5%. That's equal to $2.50. And that means I need to sell 200 mice to get to that $500 goal. So for every 100 views, I'm gonna sell one mouse. So that means I need to get 20,000 views to sell those 200 mice. And doing the math, let's say that for every great video I create that's perfectly optimized, I'm gonna get 1,000 views on that. That means I need to create 20 videos that are each gonna get 1,000 views, which are gonna sell 200 mice, which I'm gonna make 2.5% commission on, which means I'm gonna make $500 a month. So 20 videos is a number in my head. So that's 20 videos. So that goal to me is a lot more tangible than trying to figure out how many views or how many sales or anything like that. If I can just wrap my head around, all right, I need to make 20 videos. It's pretty easy to come up with a list of 20 products to review or 20 different video topics to talk about. So for Fortnite gaming, you could have specific, levels that are best for this gaming mouse, or how to optimize the settings for this gaming mouse, or talking about the keyboards or the monitor settings or any sort of thing that's going to get you to those 20 videos. Now do remember that all the videos need to be focused on driving affiliate sales, affiliate marketing, all that sort of stuff. But in your head, just say, all right, I need 20 videos. I could do that. If I'm doing one video a week, it's going to take me 20 weeks. If I'm doing 2 videos a week, it's going to take me 10 weeks. So within 3 months, if I could be making $500 a month from YouTube, I'd say that's a fantastic investment. It's only gonna get bigger and grow larger as you continue to create content. And I guarantee you, your first video, it's gonna be a lot worse than your 20th video. By the time you get to your 20th video, you're gonna be like, wow, this is easy. I could easily see myself cranking out more and more of this. It's getting fun, it's getting exciting, I'm seeing an audience. I could maybe get into the sponsored content territory, but either way, we've got this small goal, 20 videos, gets us to $500, gets us to this making money online, making money blogging, gets us into the game, and we can start really exploding it. Okay, so hopefully by the end of this clip, you guys are motivated, you're ready to start your own affiliate marketing YouTube channel. So what are your next steps? So one, I would suggest setting up your website. That's gonna be the branding around your YouTube channel. LifeTailored.com was established long before Life Tailored YouTube. I built a brand, I thought up, what am I about? And Life Tailored is essentially about living your best life, finding things that you love and making it a part of your everyday life experience. You're gonna figure that out for yourself when you pick a domain name. Whatever your domain name is, it's gonna tell everything about your brand. It's gonna really help you formulate this big idea you have in your head. From there, you create your YouTube channel, you get yourself a basic starter camera kit, and you learn how to edit and produce YouTube videos. So those are big steps I'm gonna tackle in a later video, but learning how to edit videos, there are so many resources on YouTube. You know how to search. Just search for probably Peter McKinnon, how to edit videos, or anybody, how to make YouTube channels, all that sort of stuff. That stuff is out there. I'm gonna put my suggested camera kit. Right now I'm shooting on a Canon EOS R. It's the new mirrorless camera with their 35mm lens. It's a bit pricey, it's maybe $2,700, but it's an awesome setup. If you don't have that dough, you can easily get, I have a Canon 60D over here. I think I paid about $400 for that with the 10x22mm lens. I'm gonna put a link down below so you can get this kit. Otherwise, search on YouTube, look for other kits, or look for my next video when that's coming out. So to wrap it all up, if you wanna make money blogging, I suggest the best place to start is YouTube. Creating a YouTube affiliate marketing channel. You're gonna wanna pick the right vertical using Vid Iq or some other search tool to identify where there's the most search volume and the least amount of competition. You're gonna wanna establish your website, set up your YouTube channel, learn how to shoot and edit videos by assembling your camera kit, and you wanna have that goal. You wanna have the $500 a month goal, and you wanna know I only need 20 videos to get there. Let me know down in the comments, guys, what verticals are you thinking about? Is there anything I can help you with? Back 9 years ago, I wish somebody had come to me and said, listen, I wanna help you build your own blog. I wanna help you get started making money online. And that's the resource I wanna provide to you. Nothing really motivates me more than seeing people live their dreams, build stuff that I've kind of recommended and help them craft. And that's kind of the fun part of this whole experience. Hey guys, my name is Andrew Wise with Life Tailored, where we talk about everything that makes your life great. Make sure to like and subscribe down below to make sure you get the newest videos as I release them. All right, hope you guys enjoy.